Nerengetomo Gavana we County ya Kisii Arati oyekirana bose bunge yesene aseri tukuli ya rokonyara kwa rigoro yobo tumiki bwechibesa anemono asenyagetari ya Kisii teaching and referral hospital na bondi ganyara kwa nyamabori ya sarenga machine cyabade chikogurwa senyagetari yo gati yabone machine ya golito shiringi milioni emerongebere na isano asaba iganyara ko bori ko kwana igoro yemeremo yegasi nabo igobono igoro yerideni ile milioni emeronge tano na kenda ilibono litaraka no senyagetari yo Arati ko kwana bosi bwe bunge ni ganyara ka wote abuna maiga yago service ni gobone nyagetari ya Kisii teaching referral hospital ya bere se yarenge ko sangereria anse metinye ne yarenge ko sangere milioni emeronge na isano ibere obona asbanyare ko kinye kerenge kyum ko milioni emeronge na isano ibere ko milioni ibere Arati ni gante bire bune nyagetari ya Kisii teaching referral hospital ni gobono asenga kiya maiga omabaro bw'abana bakebali gusira senyagetari ejo igo barenga sekerengo kiemeronge tano asemia obarorengo monena gotebuna maga yogo service nigo no mubaro yoberego kwira nanse asekerengo ge 15 asemia nabone gaberega kwegerana gotebuna samotukale bosyo nigo baligete nyagetari ya Kisii teaching and referral hospital enyareke wetenna kasekire gento nabone gate birebuna kibaye kar senyagetari nigo kiri kinke ekerobwa tubulemerwa asikonda gotebuna kwekeraboni gemero bilio menge nigegendrete wetenna bune nyagetari ya Kisii teaching and referral hospital.
When you're purchasing the medicines, do you use exchequer which is budgeted for by the assembly, and then you allocate the funds for the purchase of those medicines, or do you use own source revenue which is generated from the hospital, and that is KTRH? And Chair, as a closing question, I would like to know from His Excellency Governor, for the financial year 2023-2024, that would actually start from, let me say, 2023 financial year up to 2024. What has been the own source revenue that the KTRH has collected for this financial year? And if you can help me and your people understand, Your Excellency Governor, I don't know whether you have any annexures, but if you don't, you could provide them. And what was being collected before you took over as the governor? In other words, we are trying to compare. Did you increase the collection of the revenue or did it decline?
KTRH runs its budget. Actually, yearly there is a budget for KTRH. And from it, most of the times when they don't have enough money, that they can be able to ask the executive to put more money. As we are talking right now, Mr. Chairman, KTRH is a standalone facility. There is an act which was passed recently by the Assembly and have signed into law. There is an act now they are running. We expect that in the future, the facility to run its business as it were. Chair, the question that Senator Nyonka asked, I want to report here. When I came to the office, Chairman, the facility was correcting 47 million per quarter. That was the revenue, the sales that they were doing. Chair, I came in and made some changes, and those changes I removed the CEO was there, brought in the new CEO, who since then, Mr. Chairman, has improved the sales of KTRH from 47 million to 200 million. Save for the time the doctors and clinicians went on strike, that's the time now we came back actually to what they were correcting earlier. But as it were, Chair, we moved from the 47 sales to 200 million. And there is an impact of it, the fact that we were correcting that much. Chairman, is a record which I believe that we can be able to get from the CEO. We used to lose 50% of newborns in that facility within 24 hours. Therefore, 50%, if there were newborns 100, 50 would die. Within 24 hours, we used to lose 23 to 25 people, no more deaths. But since then, when we came in and we have effected that disciplined chair and safe that you came to that facility, I can tell you there is a record of a day we not lose a patient, which has never happened. Chair, today we can lose no more deaths, around 3 to 7. For the infants, it has reduced from 50%. We are doing around 15 to 17. Because again, other factor remaining constant.
The insurance covers Kisii County executive staff. And he was asking, so who covers the other staff? Or what do you mean by county executive staff, Governor?
It's all staff. The 5,736 already have been captured. Therefore, we provide the cover for the 5,736.